Hi everyone and welcome. The NATO strap I ordered from China is finally here, so I decided to do a quick video update. It came in this plastic bag. Inside we find the NATO strap itself, very well protected inside another plastic bag. Finally we can clearly see it for the first time. It is made in nylon and it has metal buckles. At first glance, the quality seems surprisingly good. Remember, I paid less than $2 for this, shipping included. The width is 22 mm. Before installing the NATO strap, I want to let you see how the watch looks like with this fake leather strap. I don't think it looks bad, but we can definitely improve it. Now we just need to remove the old strap. I use a simple screwdriver. I'm keeping the original spring bars because with this NATO strap they are not included. I really like the simple minimalistic design of this watch. This is the most common way to install a NATO strap. The strap runs through the spring bars very well. 22 mm of width is perfect. Installation is completed. The black strap matches the black dial and the metal buckles matches the metal case of the watch. I really like it. What do you guys think? On the wrist it sits pretty well. It is a little bit stiff, but I think it will be better after a few days of use. I really like the fact that there is no excess length. I think I will use this watch as my daily for some time. With this NATO strap it looks brand new and less cheap. Also, this strap adds a little bit of personality to the watch itself. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.